Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize real estate SEO with Moz step by step clearly. To optimize real estate SEO with Moz, begin by creating an account on moz.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Start with keyword research using the Keyword Explorer tool. Enter relevant terms related to real estate in your area. Analyze the suggested keywords for search volume and difficulty. Select keywords that have a good balance of high search volume and low competition. Next, create optimized title tags and meta descriptions for your property listings. Incorporate your targeted keywords naturally into these elements. Now, move on to the on-page optimization section. Ensure your headers, body text, and image alt texts contain valuable keywords. Utilize the site crawl feature to check for any SEO issues on your website. Resolve any issues, such as broken links or missing title tags, highlighted in the report. Next, focus on improving your local SEO. Claim and optimize your Google My Business listing. Include accurate name, address, phone number, and a link to your website. Gather and respond to customer reviews to enhance your local presence. Now, let's build high-quality backlinks to your website. Reach out to local real estate blogs and offer guest posts. Consider partnerships with local businesses for mutual backlinks. Monitor your backlink profile regularly using the Link Explorer tool on Moz. Finally, track your SEO performance using the reporting functions in Moz. Monitor organic traffic, keyword rankings, and visibility every month. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data you gather. By following these steps, you'll optimize your real estate SEO using Moz effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.